Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is Gsncards coming back at you once again. We're on to 2009 Ballpark Collection Baseball. Last time we busted this, we hit a real nice Joe Mauer jersey auto, which someone was saying was a big card. I know his autos are seeked by a lot of people. Joe Mauer. Hopefully we can up it a little bit on this box. Let's hit a case hit maybe. But good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Box 1, here we go. There's 4, or pack 1. There's 4 packs in a box. And this is pack 1. First off, we have a Jose Reyes base for the Mets at a 6/99. And one of these things. And then for the Angels and Diamondbacks, numbered at a 400, dual jersey of Jared Weaver and Max Scherzer. Diamondbacks and Angels. And then we have our quad swatch. Quad jersey numbered at a 400, Angels, Mariners, Athletics, and Orioles. Juan Rivera, Eric Bedard, Matt Holliday, and a Rich Hill with pinstripe. Let me just organize these cards. And next, oh, sick. Wow. Wow. Very nice card. Who has them first? Let me see that card. MJF 254. Congrats, buddy. We got a case hit. Case hit, guys. We hit a laundry tag. Numbered 3 out of 8. Very nice part of the laundry tag for the Twins. MJF. Justin Morneau. Bam. Sick. So we finally got the case hit. Justin Morneau, and that's part of the laundry tag where you would want. It's numbered out of 6 or 8. 3 out of 8 gold. So congratulations to you. That is nasty. Finally got one of those. And the base on the back. So here we go. Pack 2. Very nice pack. Was waiting to get a logo man or a button or something for quite some time, and we finally hit one. So congrats MJF on that. MJF 254 on that card. I don't know why I'm opening the pack this way, but we'll let it roll. Good luck. Here we go. We got a base on the top of George Bush. He's actually at the Rangers game today. And first hit will be a dual jersey, Indians and Red Sox, numbered at a 400 of Kerry Wood with pinstripe and Jonathan Papelbon, numbered 269 of 400. Indians and Red Sox. Then the next will be a quad jersey numbered at a 400. Brewers, Athletics, Pirates, and D-backs. Ryan Braun, Matt Holliday, Nate McLouth, and Chris Young. Numbered 170 out of 400. And this will be the 6-way swatch. Diamondbacks are on the front. On the front is Randy Johnson, Brandon Webb, and Justin Upton. And flip on the back, it's all Diamondbacks. On the back, we have a Matt Scherzer, Connor Jackson, and Steven Drew. This one is numbered out of 200. So there's the front. You got Randy Johnson on there. And actually, it was Giants logo, but as you can see, Diamondbacks have 5 of 6, so they will get this, Diamondbacks. And there is the back. Put it back in there. Pack 3 of 4. Yankees base of Alex Rodriguez at a $6.99. Then a base of Jim Thome for the White Sox at a $6.99. First hit from this pack will be Cubs and Indians, numbered at a 500, Derek Lee and Travis Hafner. Dual jersey. And then we have the quad swatch of Chad Billingsley, Justin Verlander, Jesse Leach, and Kevin Slowey. Dodgers, Tigers, Blue Jays, and Twins. That one's numbered at a 400. And final card will be the autograph. And he's actually having a good year, so not bad at all. For the Rays. The Rays, a jersey auto. Not quite David Price, but James Shields. Jersey auto. For the Rays. There you go, Mikey. And final pack. Should be a rookie auto in here, and it also should be a 8 jersey card, if I'm correct. Unless if you get the case hit, those change, but we'll see. Doesn't really feel thick, so. All right, we got a base for the Angels at a $6.99 of Vladimir Guerrero. One of these base. First hit for the Twins, dual jersey numbered at a 400, 17 out of 400, Francisco Liriano and Joe Mauer with pinstripe, dual jersey. So we didn't hit the 8-way. I'm not sure if it changes if you get the case hit, but quad swatch of John Lester, Daisuke, Manny Ramirez, and David Ortiz. 3 Red Sox, so Red Sox will have this. Quad jersey numbered at a 500. Lester, Daisuke, Manny, and David Ortiz. And final card will be the rookie auto for the Orioles. Numbered at a 500 of Nolan Reimold. Rookie auto at a 500. Wish it was Matt Wieters, but still nice. So that was a really nice box. We didn't hit an 8. Just to make sure, I don't believe we hit the 8. We hit a 6 swatch, but we didn't hit an 8 swatch. But I guess this case hit goes in place of it. Case hit of Justin Morneau. Nastiness right there. We'll be back. GSN Cards is out.